Class, Google Sites offers a really easy way to create an RSS data feed. It's called their announcement page. So let's go to my website, and you can see I've already made one here. And these are just posts that I've added, but I'm going to show you how to do it again. We're just going to go and create a new page. Then all we have to do is put in here, name your page. Let's put the RSS data. And what type are we going to use? We're going to say an announcement page. And we'll put it under my data feeds just for fun because that's where I'm going to keep it for now. Then I say create, and all of a sudden I get a new page. And look at this. It's got a button for new posts. So if I click on that, I can say new post number 1, for example. And all I have to do is edit it. My first post on the announcement. And we can do whatever we want. We can change the font look. And we can make it bold, make it bigger. We can also insert things like images. We can do whatever we want, okay? So let's just, we'll skip this. The point is, it's really easy. And then when we're done, I just click save. And all of a sudden, the page shows up as published, and there it is. If I go back to my RSS data, you can see here's a post that's in here. And my data feed has a bunch of information under here. So RSS data has my first post on the announcement page. This is what it looks like. If I click new post, let's put a new one in. My second, let's edit it. And we'll click here, second post. Cool, right? And we'll post that. Now, as you can imagine, maybe these are posts in the real world on nutrition or something. If I go back to RSS data, where I'm posting all these, and I click on this, you'll see that I should have 2 posts under here now. The first one, my first post, and look, it's organized as second post. It all works. Now, the whole reason we're doing this, right, is so I could go to my website and I can update things. I could put posts on there like I do with Twitter and just tweet things out. It's like a microblog. But the whole point of doing it with Google is because I said it was an easy way to create an RSS feed. Well, that's entirely true as long as the page is public. Right now, there's no link on here to get the RSS data. So I've got to go into sharing. And then when I click on this, I want to go and make the page public. Okay. Once I do that, because, you know, if you're putting an RSS feed out there, people have to get to it. A private page is not going to be able to do that. So we're going to change this. We're going to say public on the web. We're going to save it. It'll take a minute. And since this site is so big, because I've been working with it for years, it takes just a moment. But if I go back to Power Tools and I look at it, the sharing, oh, look, it's already published. That's great. This is my web portfolio. And if I go into data feed and under that, there should be an RSS page. Take your time. Let's see under here and then RSS. My data feed is now shows this, but check this out. If I click under here and expand this, RSS, once again, there's a subscribe to posts. And if I click on this, it gives a new page with just the data, which can be consumed by data consumers like a mobile app creator, or you can pump it into a Feedly reader, for example. Feedly's come up a couple of times. Let's copy this. If I go into Feedly and I just type Feedly, and then I just use any account and I click here because it's so convenient to read this. And you can use the Feedly app, of course, but let's just get into the Feedly site and then I paste in the URL of my RSS feed. So I right click, copy, I come back here and then I paste it and then I hit enter. Posts on RSS data. Pretty cool, right? My second post is the last one. If I click on it, it takes me right down there. So this is how you can use Google Sites to create a very simple, very powerful way to publish your entries on your website to an RSS feed which can be used in other locations later and piped into readers. I'm going to go back. I don't want to share this forever just because you guys are getting this class. I try to keep that private, but otherwise I think you know how to do it now. Very cool.